What is piping? Response. Piping refers to a system of pipes used to transport fluids, liquids, gases, or slurries within industrial plants, refineries, or infrastructure. It includes pipe fittings, valves, and other components designed to guide, control, and support the flow efficiently and safely over long distances. What is the difference between a pipe and a tube? Response. Pipes are classified by nominal diameter and thickness, typically used for fluid transport. Tubes are measured by exact outer diameter and wall thickness, commonly used in applications like heat exchangers and instrumentation, where precision is critical. Pipes typically handle larger volumes of fluid than tubes. What is the difference between a pipe and a pipeline? Response. A pipe refers to a single cylindrical tube used to transport fluids. A pipeline, on the other hand, is an interconnected system of pipes used for long-distance transportation of fluids, typically over vast areas, with associated fittings, valves, and pumps to regulate flow and pressure. What is the difference between seamless and welded pipes? Response. Seamless pipes are manufactured from solid billets, making them stronger and ideal for high-pressure applications. Welded pipes are created by rolling and welding flat plates, typically used in lower-pressure applications. Seamless pipes offer better corrosion resistance but are more expensive than welded pipes. What is ASME B31.3? Response. ASME B31.3 is a widely recognized code that provides guidelines for the design, construction, inspection, and testing of process piping systems. It covers piping used in chemical plants, refineries, and other processing facilities, ensuring safety and reliability for handling high pressure, high temperature, and hazardous fluids. What is a piping isometric drawing? Response. A piping isometric drawing is a detailed, three-dimensional drawing that represents a piping system layout. It includes pipe routes, dimensions, angles, and elevations. Isometrics help engineers visualize the system and are critical for construction, maintenance, and ensuring compliance with design specifications. What is AP and ID? Response. AP and ID, piping and instrumentation diagram, is a detailed engineering drawing that shows the piping layout, instruments, control systems, valves, and equipment used in a process. It serves as a blueprint for design, operation, and maintenance of process systems, ensuring proper functionality and safety. What are the common materials used in piping? Response. Common materials used in piping include carbon steel, stainless steel, copper, PVC, and HDPE. The choice depends on factors like temperature, pressure, and the fluid being transported. For example, stainless steel is used for corrosive fluids, while PVC is common in low-pressure water systems. What is a pipe schedule? Response. A pipe schedule is a standardized term used to denote the wall thickness of pipes. Common schedules include 40, 80, and 160. Higher schedules represent thicker walls, which are designed to withstand greater internal pressures. The schedule impacts the pipe's mechanical strength and fluid capacity. What is NPS, nominal pipe size? Response. NPS, or nominal pipe size, is a standardized system for specifying pipe diameters, typically in inches. It refers to the approximate inside diameter of a pipe, though the exact diameter may vary based on the schedule or thickness of the pipe wall. What is the purpose of a pipe support? Response. Supports hold piping in place and maintain alignment, reducing the stress on the system caused by weight, pressure, temperature changes, and vibration. Types of supports include hangers, clamps, and shoes, which help ensure the long-term integrity and safety of piping system. What are the common types of pipe joints? Response. Common types of pipe joints include threaded joints, welded joints, flange joints, and mechanical joints. Each type is chosen based on factors like fluid pressure, temperature, and ease of assembly or disassembly. Welded joints are common in high-pressure systems, while threaded joints suit lower pressures. What is pressure drop in a piping system? Response. Pressure drop refers to the loss of pressure as fluid flows through a piping system. It occurs due to friction between the fluid and pipe walls, fittings, and valves. Excessive pressure drop can lead to inefficient system operation and is an important consideration in piping design. What is the purpose of pressure testing in piping? Response. The purpose of pressure testing in piping is to verify the strength and integrity of the system by subjecting it to internal pressure beyond its operating limits. This ensures the piping can safely handle the intended pressures without leaks, ruptures, or mechanical failures before it is operational. What is the difference between an elbow and a bend? Response. Elbows are standard pipe fittings with fixed angles, usually 45 or 90 degrees, used to change pipe direction. Bends, on the other hand, are custom-made curves with varying radii. Bends are typically used in situations requiring smooth flow transitions and less pressure drop. What is a valve, and what are its functions in piping? Response. A valve is a mechanical device used to regulate, control, or direct the flow of fluid in a piping system. Valves can start or stop flow, control pressure, or redirect the fluid path. Types include gate, ball, globe, and check valves. Explain the difference between a gate valve and a globe valve. Response. A gate valve controls flow by lifting a gate to allow or block fluid. It provides minimal flow resistance when fully open but is unsuitable for throttling. A globe valve controls flow through a movable plug, offering better flow regulation and is ideal for throttling applications but with higher resistance. What is a ball valve, and how does it operate? Response. A ball valve is a type of valve that controls fluid flow using a spherical disc ball with a hole through it. By rotating the ball 90 degrees, the valve either allows flow, when the hole aligns with the pipe, or blocks it, providing reliable, quick shutoff and control. What is a butterfly valve? Response. A butterfly valve is a quarter-turn valve that controls fluid flow using a rotating disc. When the disc is turned parallel to the flow, fluid passes through. Turning it perpendicular blocks the flow. It is lightweight, compact, and suitable for low-pressure, large-diameter applications with quick on-off control. What is a check valve, and how does it work? Response. A check valve allows fluid to flow in one direction and prevents backflow. It operates automatically based on fluid pressure. Common types include swing and lift check valves, which are used to protect pumps, compressors, and other sensitive equipment from reverse flow damage. What is a butterfly valve? Response. A butterfly valve is a quarter-turn valve that controls fluid flow using a rotating disc. When the disc is turned parallel to the flow, fluid passes through. Turning it perpendicular blocks the flow. It is lightweight, compact, and suitable for low-pressure, large-diameter applications with quick on-off control. What is a flange, and how is it used? Response. A flange is a mechanical component used to connect pipes, valves, pumps, and other equipment in a piping system. It provides a secure, bolted connection between sections, allowing for easy assembly, disassembly, and maintenance. Flanges come in various types, such as weld neck, slip-on, and blind, based on application. What is a reducer, and what are the types? Response. A reducer is a pipe fitting used to connect pipes of different diameters. There are two types: concentric reducers, which have aligned center lines, and eccentric reducers, which have off-center lines. Reducers help maintain flow efficiency when changing pipe sizes. What is the difference between concentric and eccentric reducers? Response. Concentric reducers maintain the pipe's centerline, gradually reducing the diameter uniformly. They are used when alignment is critical. Eccentric reducers have an off-center design, allowing for a smooth transition while keeping the pipe's bottom level. They are used to avoid air pockets or drainage issues in horizontal installation. What are pipe couplings? Response. Pipe couplings are fittings used to join two sections of pipe together. They can be threaded, welded, or flanged, and come in various materials to match the pipes being connected. Couplings ensure a secure, leak-proof connection, facilitating the extension or repair of pipe systems in various applications. What are expansion loops, and why are they used? Response. Expansion loops are installed in piping systems to accommodate thermal expansion caused by temperature changes. As pipes expand and contract, loops absorb the movement, preventing excessive stress and potential damage to the piping, especially in systems with long, straight pipe runs. What is pipe corrosion, and how is it prevented? Response. Pipe corrosion is the degradation of piping material due to chemical reactions, typically with water, chemicals, or air. Corrosion is prevented through protective coatings, cathodic protection, corrosion-resistant materials, or the use of inhibitors in the fluid. Regular maintenance and inspections are also essential. What is the significance of pipe insulation? Response. Pipe insulation helps maintain the temperature of the fluid inside the pipe, reducing heat loss or gain. It prevents condensation, protects against freezing, and improves energy efficiency. Insulation also reduces noise and vibration and is critical for ensuring system efficiency in temperature-sensitive applications. What is pigging in pipelines? Response. Pigging is the process of cleaning or inspecting pipelines using devices called pigs. Pigs are inserted into the pipeline and propelled by the flow of fluid, removing debris, checking for damage, or ensuring the pipeline's interior is free from obstructions, corrosion, or buildup. This collection of piping interview questions and answers equips engineers and technicians with key knowledge for success. Reviewing these concepts ensures you're well prepared to excel in technical interviews. Thank you very much for watching the video. You may consider to subscribe, like, sharing or pressing bell icon for the video, if it is worth doing. If you found it valuable, we'd love to hear your 2-word feedback or comments. Your testimony about the video content matters.